Hello everyone, welcome back to today's session. I hope you enjoyed our previous videos. If this is the first video you're watching, please go back to our channel and do watch other important videos that we have on Office 365 and Microsoft 365 as a whole. So in this session, I'm going to talk about Shared Mailbox or any delegated mailbox that you have access to it. For instance, you have 2 or 3 mailboxes and your main account has access to that account, or if you have a shared mailbox and you got an access to it, so how to access that? So first and foremost, you would log into your account, and from here or from the app launcher, these 3 9 little dots, you will click on Outlook. This will open Microsoft Outlook in a new tab. As soon as Outlook is loaded and the emails are shown, I won't go through how to use Outlook, but this is the web version of Outlook and this is how it will look like. Now I'm trying to access the shared mailbox. In normal use case, when you configured your email into Outlook, you should see the share mailbox on the right column under as a different mailbox that you have permission to it. But here on the web version, it doesn't come automatically, so you have to do a workaround and you need to open another mailbox. So I need to click on it and then I will say open another mailbox. So if that's a share mailbox or if it is a mailbox that you have been granted access to it, delegated access, you can open that mailbox. So here I'm gonna open our IT help desk 1 email. Well, help desk 1, hopefully it will show up. If not, I can type in the email address at my domain name and there you go. So if I have access to this mailbox open, and if not, I will receive an error stating that I don't have access to this mailbox. And as you can see, it's clearly open and I do see all the folders, inbox, drafts, and items, deleted items, all other features of this email. If I want to send a new email, I will click on it, and same like using a regular Outlook, this does have its own calendar. I can add contacts and all other featured that comes with a regular mailbox. It does come with a share mailbox, or as I was saying, even if that's a regular mailbox that you have been granted access to, you can have access. And again, just to do a quick recap, you would go to your main account, you will click on this area, and then you would choose open another mailbox, and you would type your mailbox here and you will click open. And this is how every time you try to access a share mailbox or another dedicated mailbox, you would need to perform the same method. Thanks for watching. Please do follow, comment, share, and subscribe to the Techieideaz channel. Have a great times. Take care.